Welcome back. I've finally went ahead and put it mostly together and stuff. Had a little problem with the carb. I had to readjust the carb and the fuel lines, put some new fuel lines on there. But other than that, let's go ahead and see if we can get it to run real quick. Give it a couple primes and we'll get it running. See if it runs. Well, that looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it like that. As you can see, that it goes ahead and activates the throttle on the little carburetor there, which gives the gas to the engine. And so it's all fixed. Now it runs. Usually, if you would have to buy this line, so it's like it's a short line that goes from here to here, and it's around $20 or so. I just did this in a couple hours with some wire that I bought from Walmart for about $2.50, and a little bit of time and effort, and a little bit of drilling, and a little bit of just poking around and trying to get it in there. I fixed it, and I did a really good job, I think, and looks good. Sounds good. If you learned something, please like and subscribe. This is Joe Vias going out, and thank you for watching me here on the internet. Goodbye.